Of you, respected our CMA Dr. A.S. Durga Prasad, our illustrious former President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, my colleagues in the Central Council, CMA Paparao Sankara, my colleague in the Central Council, Dr. KCH ADSN Murthy, my beloved chairman of the Hyderabad chapter, Mr. Venkataralu, other office bearers of the regional office bearers of the Hyderabad chapter, regional council members of SIRC, my beloved members of Southern India Regional Council. It gives me immense pleasure to be present here today. I am really honored that by virtue of your love and affection, your continuous support, today I have become the president of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. I am really honored, sir, and today is my first physical meet with the members of the Institute. Sir, I start my speech with the quote from Rabindranath Tagore. Faith is the bird that fills the light when the dawn is still dark. Friends, excellence is not a destination, it is a continuous journey that never ends. The motto of the present council is to achieve excellence in all our endeavors. And I assure you, we are having a united council. Yes, I am addressing you at a time when the entire world is suffering from the impact of COVID-19. And we are under extraordinary circumstances. So we were compelled to do online examinations. Yes, we did online examination home-based, we did online examination center-based. There are criticisms. But I assure you, if any student has taken any unfair means, he or she will be debarred for five terms. We have evidences, and we have already in our foundation course about 270 candidates are debarred. There is a conspiracy to malign the institute. I tell you, I have got documentary evidences, and I have lodged FIR, and I will take strict action against the persons who are doing. There are persons who are writing in the media against our institute. I will appreciate when we make any criticism in the media, our institute also gets maligned. Sir, when I criticize anyone, if I tell anything bad about me, it also touches me because it is my institute. If you have any genuine complaint, you can come, you can write to the director examination, you can speak to the secretary of the institute, but I have seen certain question papers after the examinations are over are in the media. We are having all documents. I assure you, we will take strict action. And recently, there is a blow for our profession. GST earlier was providing lot of opportunities for our members. We have seen that section 35(5) of the CGST has been withdrawn. Friends, I have written to our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. I have made a presentation to our Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman for restoration of the provisions of section 35(5) of the CGST. Similarly, I have approached the government for amendment for RERA. From the Urban Ministry, it was referred to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Corporate Affairs referred the matter to the Cost Audit Branch. Cost Audit Branch has favorably written in favor of us. Now it is lying again with the Ministry. We are following up regularly with the Ministry. I am hopeful to get it done. Let us be optimistic. Let us hope for the best. I have also approached the Ministry officials for name change. The name change issue, you know, is pending for a long time. I have done that. And as a regular, I have also given regarding change in the definition of accountant. I have given those presentation. Friends, if your communication style is good, if you know your subject, today there is immense scope for cost and management accountants. Regarding amnesty extension scheme, I will discuss with our professional development chairman, and we can do the same. I also agree we are passing through a volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous environment. In this environment, in this age, change is the essence of human civilization. We need to be ahead of our changes. We have to be familiarized with computerization. We should know artificial intelligence, blockchain, cyber security, data analytics. Just as my son knows, as an engineer, he knows what is artificial intelligence, so also a cost accountant should also be familiar, with all these techniques, what is artificial intelligence, what is blockchain, what is cyber security, what is data analytics. Friends, these are modern techniques which one should know. Friends, I seek your cooperation. Please give, you are at liberty to call me. I will pick up the phone. You can also give your suggestions, write to me. Definitely those will be considered. Regarding infrastructure, we have to observe certain formalities. Necessary, it can be done, but subject to the approval of infrastructure, then finance committee, then executive committee, then council. I may be the president, but I do not have the enormous power to do anything and everything. It has to pass. I have to respect each and every one. And I am telling, after one becomes president, he becomes apolitical. I don't belong to any groups. I am the president of the council. I am everybody's. So I have nothing further to add. I will once again I express my thanks and gratitude for the love and affection showered on me. It is with your love I started my journey in 1995 as a regional council member. At that time I went to Guwahati. At that time I was treasurer. I met Devashish Bitro. Devashish Bitro is also a cost accountant. Today he has become the vice president of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. At that time he was arguing with our president regarding some problems at Guwahati. So he is a member of the Guwahati chapter also. Friends, I would not take much of your time. I would be putting my full stop here, but by paying tribute to Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Please. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic worlds, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its dreary way into that dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country hear. Thank you very much.